My people, today on no be small story. Na the first crime for human history. Jealousy, anger, blood, and still hope. We go see how one man kill him own brother just because of bad heart. But even inside that darkness, God still show mercy and give man second chance. This na Genesis chapter 4, Cain and Abel. Get ready because this one go shake you. Genesis chapter 4 verse 1 tell us say Adam sleep with Eve, she born Cain. She say, with God help I don born man. Eve understand say every pikin na from God. She no take am for granted. For verse 2, she born again Abel. Abel dey rear animals and Cain im brother na farmer. Two brothers, two talents. God no vex say dem get different jobs. God value hard work. For verse 3 to 5, the Bible tell us say Cain bring offerings from him farm and Abel bring the best also from him animal. God can't accept Abel own, but he reject Cain own. No be say God hate farmers so, na the heart and quality of the offering na im matter. Abel give God the best, but Cain give am anyhow thing. For Genesis chapter 4 verse 6 to 7, God come tell Cain, why you dey vex? If you do right, I go accept you. But sin dey your door and e wan control you, but you suppose control am. God warn am lovingly. Temptation go come, but no let am rule you. You fit say no. For verse 8, Cain come invite Abel go bush. He then come kill am. First murderer, na from jealousy to rage to violence. Na small bitterness dey turn big wahala. For verse 9, God come ask Cain, where your brother? Cain say, I be im keeper. Instead make he confess he dey form hard guy. But God dey see everything. For verse 10 to 12, God say, your brother blood dey shout from ground. Ground no go yield again for you. You go waka up and down sotey you go know say body go tell you. Sin dey affect work, life and even your land. Cain miss im destiny because of one bad decision. For verse 13 to 14, Cain come talk say, haba, my punishment too much now. People go kill me. Now he fear consequence but no remorse. Still, God hear am. Verse 15 come tell us say God give Cain mark for body. Anybody wey touch you, I go deal with am. See mercy. Even after sin, God still protect Cain. That's deep. Verse 16 talk say Cain waka go north, far from God presence. This na the real loss, not just punishment, but distance from God. Verse 17 to 22 tell us say Cain build city, born pikin, and the pikin begin grow family. Dem begin invent music, tools, animals. Na so civilization come dey start well. Even through Cain line, progress happen. God still allow man to move forward. For verse 23 to 24, Lamech, Cain descendant, talk say he kill person and nobody fit touch am. Now violence don multiply. People dey boast about killing. Sin don dey spread. Verse 25 to 26 tell us say Eve born another pikin wey dem come call am Seth. From there, people begin call on the name of the Lord. Hope rise again. Even when evil dey grow, God still raise people wey go seek am. Make we look the benefit of Genesis chapter 4 to man. Number 1 be say God still dey relate with man even when we fall. Number 2 say God protect us even when we make mistakes. Number 3, new beginning dey always possible, like Seth after Abel. Number 4, God dey value the heart behind our offerings. Lessons wey we fit learn from Genesis chapter 4 be say, number 1, God no dey accept just anything, give am your best. Number 2, jealousy dey lead to destruction, kill am before e kill you. Number 3, God dey warn us before we fall, listen when he dey talk. Number 4, no cover sin with lie, speak truth and seek mercy. Number 5, even when sin increase, God still dey preserve those wey dey seek am. My people, if anger dey your, God still dey preserve those wey dey seek am. My people, if anger dey your chest, if envy dey your heart, this story na for you. Cain get warning but he ignore am. Make you no do the same thing. God still dey call people wey go give am true heart like Abel. If this one enter your spirit, type for the comment section say, I go give God my best. Abeg make you like, subscribe and share this video so another person no go fall like Cain but rise like Seth. Next chapter go sweet your belle. Stay tuned as we dey unlock Bible pidgin style.